Hi, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today we're going to talk about why most people suck at selling AI services to clients. Let's dive in. Okay, so before I get started explaining why most people suck, we need to talk about why installing AI into our client's business is the biggest opportunity I've ever seen. And not only is it the biggest opportunity I've ever seen, we also have a responsibility to sell this to clients. And the reason that is because it makes such a big difference to their business, okay? And the other reason why this is such an opportunity, there's no one in this space that's gonna come in and cut your grass because they've got 10 years experience. If you're selling leads to clients, someone that's got 10 years, 20 years experience doing this is going to completely wipe the floor with you if you're a newcomer or a newbie coming into this space. It's a complete level playing field. If you're able to watch 1 month's worth of training for free that you can get on YouTube, you're going to know more than your client, a little bit more, which means that you're going to be in a position to be able to sell to them with confidence coming from experience. It's my responsibility to give you the confidence to be able to sell this and know that you're going to be able to get client results. I know you're not going to believe me until you have that experience, but when you do, it should be open season and you're off to the races then. The other really important thing that I need to, just drum into you as well is that this is the first time in history as well that AI is going to do the work for you. So it's a huge opportunity, okay? If I could, reach through that camera and take you by the shoulders and shake you and make you realize that this is a big opportunity, I wish I could do that, okay? So please trust me, please believe that this is a huge opportunity. The reason why I just went on that bit of a rant there and had a spiel is because I want you to have the belief and confidence to be able to sell and offer that converts. Not only converts, it works for the client, okay? And if you have this understanding inside you and this inner confidence, clients can smell that, they can sniff that without really having to have any, sales skills at all, okay? So that's the number one reason most people suck, is that they don't believe in what they're selling. The second reason is because they don't believe in what they're selling, are reaching out to the wrong people. The way I like to describe this when I'm trying to teach people is that I talk about my basketball experience. So I used to play a lot of basketball. I was decent at it. And I was a three-point shooter, okay? But three-point shooters, at best, and unless you're Steph Curry, make 40% of their shots. It's really hard to make three-pointers, okay? And I'm likening three-pointers to cold outreach. If I was a little bit closer to the basket, it's called mid-range. And this was where Michael Jordan was great, right? A mid-range player, you can shoot a higher percentage from the mid-range. Not many people start in the middle, okay? And then there's, of course, layups or slam dunks, which is the highest percentage. And me as a basketball player, I was not very good at dunking, but I could make most of my shots when I was doing a layup, okay? So the way that I see reaching out to clients is that a layup is your warm network. These are people that you know, that you've bumped into, that could be someone that is a brother-in-law or someone you've met down the pub or a previous client or a current client that you've got, okay? So that is a slam dunk or someone close to the bucket, as opposed to mid-range, which is someone a little bit, that doesn't know you as well. And then there's the three-pointer, which is cold outreach, okay? And the reason most people suck is because they don't have the confidence in what they're doing, and they immediately reach out to their cold network because they don't believe in what they're doing, which means that they reach out to people that, if they say no, they're like, oh, that's okay. It's okay. It doesn't really matter too much because I don't know these people, all right? But whereas what they should be doing is picking up their phone, going through their contact list of anyone who owns a business and reaching out to them and showing them what you can do. Showing them what you can do is critical, rather than having to go into a sales spiel. Doing a demo is the most important thing you can do, okay? And we'll touch a little bit on that in a sec, okay? So let me recap, okay? You've got the three-pointer, you've got the mid-range, and you've got the layups, okay? So the reason why most people suck is they go after the cold audience and they try and do ads on Facebook, which still works, okay, but it's hard to do. They try and set up some sort of cold email automation where they send 500,000 emails a day with some generic message, and they expect to get, a 1% result or, whatever that is, right? and then they wonder why they're not closing because everyone else is doing this, okay? What they need to be doing, and I do this all the time with my students, is I get them to pull out their phone and I get them to go through their contact list and write down every single person that owns a business inside their WhatsApp list or whatever it is, and then I get them to reach out to these people, okay? And no one will do this. If I'm honest with you and you're honest with yourself, how many business owners do you know? There's probably 20, 30, 40, 50 of these people, but have you had the kahunas or the guts to reach out to these people and make them an offer? And most people, if they're honest with themselves, are not willing to do that because they believe that they're going to let these people down that they know, and they don't trust what they're doing. Okay, and this is the biggest reason most people suck. But you might be asking, what can I sell? And it so just happens that we've created a guide. It's called The Last Way That the Little Guy Can Make It. All right, and there's a link for that below in the description box. It's actually a story of one of my students. His name's Aaron Rowley, and he had some incredible results. In fact, he didn't even own a laptop or know how to turn on a laptop 2 years ago. And he's gone from knowing absolutely nothing to, in a few short years, selling 55K a month worth of services to car dealerships in America, okay? And he's absolutely crushing it. He had zero skills. We explain a little bit about his story and how well he's done it, but we also give you 5 ways that you can sell AI services with confidence to clients and then get AI to do all the work. I'll let you go through it and figure out what they all are, but just quickly to give you an understanding of what they are. The first one is taking clients' old leads and turning them to sales using AI and SMS. I call it the offer of the century. The second one is selling voice AI to clients. Okay, so if you are going through your layups, your slam dunks, and you're finding people who've got a business that lose business because they're not answering the phone, then voice AI is perfect. And what we do is just reach out to clients and say, call this number, dude, right? And then AI does all of the closing for you. In fact, it automatically sells the clients. You don't even, they're sold before they pick up the phone and say, we need this, all right? Voice AI is incredibly powerful and so easy to sell. Reviews AI, this is a multi-billion dollar industry. We did this for my brother. He owns a company called True Ninja in Australia, in Penrith, Australia. And they were just not getting back to their reviews, okay? We installed Reviews AI into his business, and it's just looking after it beautifully. I don't charge him obviously because he's my bro, but you can charge $500 a month for this recurring. It looks after everything and takes a huge load off the client's plate, and also totally revamps their reputation, and means that if people are looking to book my bro's place for a kid's party or whatever, there's perfect reviews, all done by AI. It's incredible, okay? It's very easy to sell. The other one is called a 48-hour, and we call it the 48-hour Android. I think we call it in the guide rescue, how to rescue leads, okay? Imagine you're working for a client. A lot of you people listening to me run leads for clients, okay? And you might sell them leads or run leads on a retainer. What happens in the old way is that the client's sales team will pick up the phone and try and sell them solar or roofing or a mortgage or whatever that is, but they only get in contact with 50% of those leads, sometimes more, sometimes less. What we do is we take all of the uncontacted leads after 48 hours and automatically send them an SMS, which just books people in for appointments like crazy. Honestly, this works so well. And we're giving away this for free, okay? And the reason it works so well is that people are looking these days to converse via WhatsApp or SMS rather than being dialed to death by a mortgage broker, okay? I know what I'd prefer to do, all right? Because times are changing. This on its own is responsible for multi-6 figures inside our agency, okay? We install this for our clients. It just works so well. We're giving it away for 100% free within the guide. And the last thing that I want to talk to you about that's in the guide is live chat on client's website. We call it conversational AI, okay? You've probably been to a website, right, before where you're trying to get a service, you're trying to chat to someone because you can't get through on the phone, and then you see this little box down the bottom, right? You click on it and you're expecting to chat to someone, and guess what? No one's there. You just put your name and email in and expect a phone call back, and they rarely call you back in there anyway, okay? With conversational AI or live chat, we can install this on our client's website, train the live chat, which we show you how to do inside the training, and it'll just go back beautifully, answer all of their questions, and then connect them to a human if they need to. All right, this is a huge opportunity as well. Another multi-billion-dollar industry, and we're giving you all of these things for free. Inside the guide, it's called The Last Way for the Little Guy to Make It, and I created for you because, let's face it, we're not these, multi-billion-dollar corporations. We're not even multi-million-dollar corporations. All right, we're the little guy, and it's the little guy's chance. It's our turn to really, really make a difference and really help these clients. Okay, so that's really it for me today. If I can leave you with this, please have the confidence to sell what's in that guide, because it just works and AI does all the work. And if you don't do it, I'm going to literally find you and shake you by the shoulders and make sure that you do believe in what you're selling, because it is your time. All right, I'll leave it there. Again, that link is below. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you soon.